guys, One Slow Mirror here. So if you were keeping up with my previous video, I did an unboxing for the Magnaflow Competition Series Axle-Back Exhaust. It's a good looking muffler, nice looking tips, and today I'm going to be doing the review on it actually installed. So give you guys a look at that real quick. Nice looking tips. Mufflers look good. As you may have seen in my first video, I actually had a muffler delete, and I love the way that sounded. Probably would have never gotten rid of it, but fortunately I moved into a house. I would say unfortunately, but I got my own garage. I'm not doing my work in a car wash bay anymore. As you've seen in my how-to tutorial on my GM smoke taillights, go ahead and check that video out as well. But the downside is that I have neighbors that weren't too fond of the straight pipes. They were extremely loud, especially on a cold start up in the garage. It would shake the whole house. It's kind of ear deafening if you had the windows down, you started it up, but it is what it is. So I went ahead and bought the Magnaflow Competition Series, and if you're to go look this up on YouTube, not a lot of videos of drive-bys or anything like that. It's not too popular with the Camaro world. Before I actually get started, one of the first things I noticed right off the bat when I got these put on, unfortunately, was the these do have the cutouts. So get a light for you. These do have the cutouts, you can see in there. I'm gonna give you guys a clip, but when you actually switch it into stealth mode, passenger side closes alright, but the driver's side gets stuck on the inlet tube before the tip. So check that video out real quick. Alright guys, so with that, I actually looked into maybe it was a motor, the motor that actually controls the valve or something like that. But after taking it off, oh, one other thing, if you guys are putting this in the driver's side, the mount for the motor is actually upside down, so it makes it really freaking hard to take that motor off, put it on if you need to. Passenger side is alright. As you saw, the passenger side valve works just like it's supposed to. That motor is actually a lot easier to get to, take it off and all that, but the driver's side's a pain, and you need extensions for your ratchet wrench or whatever you need to get that on an 8mm bolt on the top of it. There's no room to get your hand in there or anything like that, but taking that off, realized it wasn't even the motor, and I started playing around with the valve, and as I saw, the valve was getting stuck to where the inlet tube was actually too far inwards inside the tip. So with that, I don't even think I'm gonna call Magnaflow or anything. I'm just gonna take a Dremel, grind it down, make it as smooth as possible, make it as smaller as possible to get that valve to actually close all the way. But other than that, here are the videos. Let me know what you think. so as for the Magnaflow Competition Series Axle-Back mufflers, they're definitely not as loud as the straight pipes were on the 6th Gen. So if you haven't heard what a straight pipe 6th Gen sounds like, I suggest you go ahead and find that video on my channel, take a look at it, give it a like maybe. But other than that, the Magnaflow Competition Series exhaust, it gives off more of a muffled sound compared to the straight pipes. It's more contained, I would say. It does give off more of a metallic kind of sound. A lot of people say it sounds artificial. That's kind of Magnaflow's thing though. They kind of give off that unique sound that you won't hear out of any other muffler. So, I mean, it's all personal preference. So, on one hand, I kind of like it. It does drone quite a bit. So, if you're looking at something that, you know, doesn't drone quite a bit, I heard the Borla Attack's kind of well-rounded with that. But definitely not the Magnaflow. The Magnaflows, they do have a problem with droning. You'll feel it in your chest. Half the time you won't hear yourself think. But, like I said, it's a price you pay. But it's a decent sound. So, I mean, if you guys are looking towards getting the Magnaflow, maybe this video turned you off and you're not looking for one anymore, let me know, comment in the section below. If you're already looking at one and this kind of, you know, upped your means of getting one, let me know as well. But other than that, guys, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Hopefully I'll be doing more. Like I said before, I was in the process of moving, that's why I haven't posted in a while. I was quite kind of busy, but I'm trying to get back into this. So, yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys later.